Hi all. Today we are discussing about the topic 20th century poetry, Ted Hughes. Ted Hughes was one of the giants of 20th century poetry. He was born on Mytham Royd, Yorkshire in 1930. Hughes' poetry is concerned with strong and violent forces of nature. He is influenced by D.H. Lawrence. By making the animals and birds the subjects of many of his poems, the poet intends to express the human condition. Therefore, his animals are powerful as symbols. Hughes attempts to capture the mystery of life and experience of animal characterization. To read Hughes' poetry is to enter a world dominated by nature, especially by animals. The Hawk in the Rain in 1989 and Motown Diary in 1989 was two of his late collections. He wanted to capture not just live animals, but the aliveness of animals in their natural state, their wideness, their crudity, the foxness of the fox, the crowness of the crow. However, Hughes' interest in animals was generally less naturalistic than symbolic. Hughes' work speaks to his concern with poetry's Vedic, even shamanic powers. Working in sequences and lists, Hughes frequently uncovered a kind of autochthonous yet literary English language. Hughes' posthumous publications include Selected Poems 1957 to 1994 in 2002, an updated and expanded version of the original 1982 edition. Letters of Ted Hughes in 2008, which were edited by Christopher Reid and showcase Hughes' voluminous correspondence. According to David Orr in the New York Times, Hughes' letters are immediately interesting and accessible to third parties to whom they aren't addressed. The publication of Hughes' collected poems in 2003 provided new insights to Hughes' writing process. Publishing both single volumes with Faber, Hughes also released a huge amount of work through small presses and magazines. These poems were frequently not collected, and it seems Hughes thought of his small press efforts as experiments to see if the poems deserved placement in collections. Though Hughes is now unequivocally recognized as one of the greatest poets of 20th century. His reputation as a poet during his lifetime was perhaps unfairly framed by two events: the suicide of his wife Sylvia Plath in 1963 and in 1969 the suicide of the woman he left Plath for, Asia Wivel, who also took the life of their young daughter Shura. Though marked by a period of pain and controversy in the 1960s, Hughes' later life was spent writing and farming. Hughes continued writing and publishing poems until his death from cancer on October 28, 1998. A memorial to Hughes in the famed Poets' Corner of Westminster Abbey was unveiled in 2011.